Use fresh ingredients. Fresh vegetables and high-quality meats will make a big difference in the flavor of your tacos. Don't skimp on the spices. Tacos are all about the seasoning, so don't be afraid to get generous with the chili powder, cumin, and other spices. Use the right type of tortilla. Soft corn tortillas are traditional for tacos, but you can also use flour tortillas or hard shells. Choose the one that best fits the filling you are using. Use a variety of toppings. Mix and match your toppings to add texture and flavor to your tacos. Some good options include lettuce, tomato, cheese, sour cream, and guacamole. Make a homemade salsa. A fresh, homemade salsa can take your tacos to the next level. Try making a batch with diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and jalapenos. Grill your proteins. Grilled chicken, steak, or shrimp can add great flavor to your tacos. Just be sure to slice them thinly for easy eating. Don't overload your tacos. It's tempting to stuff as much filling as possible into your tacos, but this can make them difficult to eat and the flavors can get lost. Experiment with fillings. Tacos don't have to be limited to just meat and vegetables. Try using beans, grains, or even fruit as filling for a unique twist. Make your own seasoning blend. Instead of using pre-packaged taco seasoning, try making your own blend with a combination of spices such as cumin, chili powder, paprika, and garlic powder. Get creative with your presentation. Try serving your tacos on a platter with all of the toppings on the side, or create a taco bar with a variety of fillings and toppings for your guests to choose from.